Hello everyone, welcome to FE Trick Videos. We are going to explain some fast and easy tricks here. So we go with a fantastic tutorial that is how we can take light trail photos by Androids which have pro mode in their camera, and 3 tips that I'm going to tell you at the end of this video to have something professional. Just please, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell, and if you like this video, press the like button. Okay, here we go. First, you must go to More section right here and then click on the Pro to switch into Pro mode of camera. Then you must set the manual focus that it's MF on the highest level because your subject is far from your phone. The shutter speed must be between 2 and 8, depends on the exposure condition of your subject, and put the ISO on the lowest level because you're taking photo at night. And if your phone has the aperture, put it on the 2.4 or a little bit higher. And if you don't have it, never mind. It's not too much important, and go for taking the picture. And finally, finish. But this photo has some problems, which one of them is this street, for example, that it's a little bit quiet and silent, and we need a congested street because taking picture in busy streets can improve your photo in this category. Now I should tell you some points which help you to take a fantastic photo. The first one is you should take this picture in the congested place with a perfect background. The second one is you must have tripod to stabilize your phone, not to have any noises in your picture. And the third one is you must take this picture with a Bluetooth shutter, which not to shake picture and don't have any noises for the lights. This is an example of a noisy picture that I didn't have a tripod in order to take it, and just look at the lights. You can understand everything, okay? Alright, we're almost done. I just mentioned everything that you need in order to get this fantastic photo. If you have any questions, please leave that question below in the comment section, and I'm going to answer every single one of them. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notifications. Have a good day, goodbye, see you in the next video.